Today we'll walk through the process of acid printing. Prepare the coating liquid. This is the thickener. 300 grams of thickener, then this is urea, 300 grams of urea. This is 180 grams of ammonium sulfate. You can see it's a bit clumpy, so when storing materials, make sure to seal them tightly to prevent moisture. Then add 6 kilograms of water. Pour all the materials in and mix thoroughly. While mixing, wear a mask and cover the bucket to prevent powder from escaping and splashing. Covering the lid ensures smoother mixing. Mixing time is approximately 15 to 30 minutes. Once the mixture appears mostly uniform, let it sit overnight. By the next day, the coating liquid will have swollen. The next day, stirring again for 15 to 30 minutes. This ensures a more uniform paste. Remember, citring the paste today, but apply it to the material tomorrow. Always wait a full day before coating. The resulting paste must be a smooth, yellow paste without lumps. This prevents clumps from forming on the socks, which could affect printing quality. Observe the finished paste's color, a slightly deeper shade of yellow. Soak the socks material and sleeves material into coating liquid. Now immerse the white sock blanks or eye sleeve blanks into this paste. Ensure thorough soaking, and arrange them as spread out as possible during placement to guarantee each sock and eye sleeve is fully saturated. If any items stick together, separate them and stir evenly. After approximately 15 minutes of soaking, proceed to the next step, desizing. During desizing, thoroughly wring out the paste by hand or use a squeezing device to gently press the paste out of the sock or eye sleeve blanks. Dehydration, pulp removal. This is the pulp removal equipment, a dehydrator used for pulp extraction or water removal. Multiple pulp removal cycles may be performed until the pulp on the sock blank feels barely damp to the touch, without any dripping moisture. High-powered centrifugal dehydrators can also be used for faster dehydration. Typically, this process takes about 15 minutes. Low temperature drying. Alright, now we place the desized sock blanks and eye sleeves into the dryer for low temperature drying. The dryer is currently set to 60 degrees Celsius, and the drying time can be scheduled for 1 to 2 hours. Every 30 minutes, check if the material is dry. If not, continue drying until the material feels dry to the touch. Dried eye sleeves or socks will take on a slightly beige hue, with a 15% increase in weight. Specific material ratios vary depending on your fabric. Additionally, note, if dried materials won't be printed immediately, seal them in light-proof storage. Printing. This is the printer operation stage. Place the sock sleeves, which have been coated and dried, onto the printing cylinder for printing. The printer uses acid-based ink, suitable for printing on nylon and wool socks. Printing is very fast, taking about 15 seconds to print one sock or one sleeve. You can see the printed sock sleeves retain vibrant colors. Low temperature drying. The printed eye sleeves are wet at this stage, so avoid touching them with your hands. The ink is still wet, so we proceed with low temperature drying at approximately 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. They are placed in a drying oven for this process. After drying, the socks or eye sleeves no longer feel damp to the touch. Any residual ink won't transfer to your hands. Steaming process. This is the steamer. Steam at 102 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. Place the dried socks into the steamer. Notice the rack is covered with a white cloth to prevent excessive moisture condensation. If water droplets fall onto the socks, it could damage the printed design. After steaming, the socks, specifically the eye sleeves, will appear more vibrant in color. Remove them and place directly into the sink for washing. Alright, next is the water rinse stage. Use room temperature tap water for 2 to 3 rinses. During washing, significant ink will wash off, which is normal. This is excess dye that needs rinsing away with cold water. After 2 to 3 rinses, the color will fade and the water should appear mostly clear, indicating it's ready for the next step. Soap washing. First, add some cold water, then mix in a bit of boiled hot water. This hot water is essential for the soap wash. For the soap wash, you must add the soap wash agent. Stir it well, then soak for about 15 minutes. After that, drain the water. The third color fixing step, the third color fixing wash. This color fixing agent has a slightly brownish color and actually has a vinegar-like smell. Stir it well first, then place the socks or arm sleeves inside for the final color fixing step. Use warm water for this color fixing as well. After washing, place the socks or arm sleeves in the spin dryer. Once spun dry, the colors should be firmly set and appear vibrant. Then transfer them to the oven for low temperature drying. Now, observe the finished arm sleeves. The colors are vivid, rich, and exceptionally clear. For more details on this process, feel free to contact us.